Yeah. This is Little Red, guys. This is, you can see the amount of snow that this thing gets. If I put my finger there, you could see it's like 1, 2, or 3 inches of snow. About 3 inches of snow on Little Red. But I'll come back to clean Little Red. Let's go for a quick walk. Go for a quick walk around the block. Let's see what the Winter Wonderland on a Saturday, February the 17th. Yeah. Take a quick walk. Everything good?
Yeah.
All right, yeah. You guys look straight down, you guys could see you just let's take a quick walk. Show you guys the Winter Wonderland. This is 39th Street and 47 Park. I think we might better off going. Oh, nice! Look at this place, guys. Let's go this way then. Let's go this way. Let us go this way. Look at this. Look at the trees, man. Look at the trees. It's like a winter wonderland. Wow. Let me see if I can get a path to go through. Go for a quick, let's go down this way. I want to see. Alright, let's take a quick walk down the road, guys. No vehicle behind me, so we could do a middle center of the road so we can see what's going on. Yeah, let's walk down straight down the middle. Straight down the middle so I can give you guys a good view of what it looks like if you're driving down the center of this road. Yeah. Yeah. Give you a look on this side, look on that side. Just kind of enjoy Winterland, right? Let's see how it almost look like I don't know if you guys are familiar with cotton. This thing look like it's a cotton tree, right, guys? Look at this. For those of you who are familiar with cotton, does it look like cotton tree? It does, right? Look at this. It looks like a cotton tree. It's fluffy. That's why the snow is a little fluffy today. Wow. This is 48th Ave. Give you a quick look here. 48th Ave and 39th Street. The 239 bus is just driving by. Let's take a quick walk here. Wow. Yeah, look at this. It looks like it's almost like it's clean around the schoolyard. They haven't picked up the trash yet. I'm not sure if they will. I'm just going to this one more quickly. I'm not sure if they will pick up the trash. I hear a plane, but I can't see. Oh, it's right there. I don't know if you guys can see up here. Oh, too much. Yeah, isn't that beautiful, guys? Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. Let's take a quick walk. Let's do straight down the middle. Wow. Oh. It's a one-way, so vehicle will be coming from behind, guys. Don't worry, I'll hear them. Oh. You guys can see this. Look at the trees. That's the beauty about winter. Look at this one right here. Right? Look at this tree right there. See this one? Yeah. Yeah. This one is not as heavy as the one earlier. Got some birdies there. Yeah. Yeah, look at this. Isn't that nice? Beautiful, man. Terrible. Oh, look at this. Beautiful, man. Look at this one. Still look the same. Like, look at this. Let's take a tree directly above us. Let's see. That's a huge tree, right? Directly above us. Look at this. No, it's a one-way, guys. Vehicles will be coming directly towards me, so I'll be able to see the vehicle if they're coming. But I just wanted to show you guys this right here. Look at this.